All right, so the root beer box Chevy is officially done. I don't know if I should show y'all the finished product or not. Ooh, look at that chrome. Brand new trim. She said nice. Said nice. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. She's so clean. Can't even get the flakes. It's just so slick. Camera don't do it no justice, but it's still clean. This box Chevy's killing it. Y'all see that flake action going on in the front? I can't see shit because the sun is bright as hell out here. I hope y'all can see that. See this clean. Nothing but flake. Nothing but candy. Nothing but root beer and chrome. Now this motherfucker is clean though. Yeah. We'll have some more videos coming soon, but she finished. Y'all, it's official. We'll get some rolling footage for you as soon as we can, but it's hot as hell out here today, so we out. I'll let y'all on the next one.